Good evening guys. Today we will start NCERT class 11 chapter 1 The Living World part 7. Let us see what it is telling. As stated earlier, there are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know the plants and animals in our own area by their local names. So we know there are plants and animals in the world, and I have told you earlier also that if you stand in an area you can observe many plants and animals and many potted plants also around you, and these plants and animals have some particular names, as some those particular names are also known as local names. So local names means all the person who are present in some particular area and call those plants and animals with that particular name present in that area is known as local names. So this is the statement is telling that as stated earlier, there are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know the plants and animals in our own area by the local names. So let's see the next statement what it is telling. These local names would vary from place to place even within a country. So what happened guys, when there is an animal in India and the same animal is there in another country, we have two different names. Indian people used to name some animals with one name, and in other country people used to call the same animal with another name. Suppose there is a tiger. In India we use to call a tiger as tiger, but in America they used to call tiger a jaguar, not tiger. So how the name of animal vary from place to place and even within the countries also. Okay, so this is the statement is telling to you these local names would vary from place to place even within a country. Okay, so let's see the next statement. Probably you would recognize the confusion that would be created if we did not find ways and means to talk to each other to refer to organisms we are talking about. So they are telling that if we does not put some particular names to these animals and plants which are present in different places, then we might cause confusion. So we have to put some names to these plants and animals which are present in environment. So this is the statement of telling probably you would recognize the confusion that would be created if we did not find ways and means to talk to each other to refer to organisms we are talking about. So let's see the next statement what it is telling. The next para. Hence there is a need to standardize the naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. Sometimes what happens guys, we know that all plants and animals are called by different names in different places and in different countries, but still there are some kind of name of plants and animals which are same in all over the, whose name is same in all over the world, and naming those plant and animal with the standardized process is known as nomenclature. Okay, so let's see what it is telling in the next statement. Obviously, nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organism is described correctly and we know to what organism the name is attached to. So what it is telling over here, that nomenclature is only possible if we can describe the organism. Description means to it description of the organism's body function, description of organism's body parts and so on. So we have to describe the organism in this manner, and what we have to do is to find out or see the organism name. Then we have to identify the organism, and the process of doing this thing is known as identification. So what happens? First of all, we have to do identification and then only the nomenclature is going to help. So this is the end of the today's topic. Have a good day and good luck. Bye.